Very good morning parents and to all my dear children. In today's video, we will be learning how to write figure 2 in our exercise book. See, this is the way how we had written in the last class. This is figure 1. Figure 1. This is what we had written in the last class in the exercise book. Today we will be writing figure 2. We will learn how to write figure 2 in the next page. So, this is the page that you have used in the last class. Today, in the very next page, turn your page, move to the next page, and then parents will help to write on top classwork, today's date and day, and then the topic. Same as you have done it, in the last class. Okay. Now see, I am going to start with this. Here, in this place, how we have done in the last class, the same we are going to write here, classwork, C-L-A-S-S-W-O-R-K. In this way we are going to write classwork and then we have to underline it. Next we are going to write today's date, the day on which this task is to be done. That is 17th of August 2021. 17.08.2021 in this way. Next we are going to write the day. Today's day is Tuesday. We are going to write like this, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, and then we are going to underline it. Next we have to write the topic that we have to do in this page. Here we are going to do figure 2. So we have to write like this. Write figure 2 and then underline it. So parents will be writing on top like this, classwork, date, day and the topic. As already mentioned, the next line needs to be kept blank. Nothing will be written in this line. So we will place a cross mark like this, cross. Same way in the third line also, after we move to the third line, this one will also not be used. We will not be writing anything in this line. So you have placed a cross mark. Now we will begin from here. Today we will be writing 2. So this is the way how we write 2. One curve, then a slanting line and then a sleeping line. This is how we have learned to write 2. Next line, this line, we will keep it blank. So cross. We are not going to write anything. Next line, yes, we have to write here. So again we write here 2. Again we place a cross mark. 2. In this way, alternative lines we have to use. Once it is done, next we'll move to the next line. This line we have in this line we have written the figure 2. This line will be kept empty, blank. Nothing is to be written here. Keep it blank. Again move to the next line. Again we are going to move to the next line. So we are going to write here like this. 2. 2. 2. Every time the child is writing, he or she needs to read the figure. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 in this way. Again in the next line, this line we are going to keep it blank, nothing we are going to write here. Again we will move to this line. Again we have to write 2. In this way we have to complete these pages. Now, it is convenient if you place the cross mark on alternate lines. So it will be convenient for the child to understand that these are the lines which will not be filled, like this. And then allow your child to finish off with the leftover spaces, given spaces. Parents, now I will be requesting you to place some dots to ensure them the beginning of every figure. Like this. After that, allow your child to write by themselves. Then they will be able to begin it. like this. As the parent has placed one dot here, so the child knows that this is the initial point and the child will be writing like this, 2. Moving to the next one, 2, 2, like this. The child has to complete whole of this page. Now see, I am going to use this blackboard to make you understand. These are the square boxes. These are the square boxes. So whenever the child is writing, the child is not supposed to touch these lines, the top, bottom, left and right. The child is not supposed to touch these lines. The child has to write absolutely at the center like this. This is the exact formula. Now, if the child is writing somewhat like this, no, this is wrong. This is wrong. Why? Because this is touching the top and the bottom line. So, this is wrong. The correct method is to write like this somewhere in the center, so that it keeps a certain distance from the top, bottom, left and right. It is not supposed to touch these lines. As discussed, I have written, place this cross mark. Cross marks indicates that these lines will not be filled. These lines will not be filled. Say like this. This line and this line. These lines will not be filled. We'll write in these lines. So I'll start from here. We're going to write 2, and every time that we write 2, we have to read out the figure like this. 2. Again here. 2. Now in the same way, you have to write here also. We'll leave this line blank. Again we'll write here. 2. Again you'll leave this line and here. 2. 2. Now in the same way, these lines are also to be filled. 2. 2. 2. 2. Now for the parents, I will request them to place dots like this, so that the children can understand from where they have to begin, like this. 2. From here. From this dot. 2. So this is the format. How children have to write in their exercise book. Now see, this is the way how we have to finish this page. Writing figure 2 on every alternate lines, horizontally and vertically. We have to leave alternate lines. And then we have to finish up this page writing figure 2. So that's all for today's class. We'll meet you in the very next video. Till then, bye bye to all of you.